Welcome to this market overview of the EV battery polyurethane foam market. Electric vehicles demand advanced thermal protection, and polyurethane foam is becoming essential inside EV battery packs. In 2024, the global EV battery polyurethane foam market is valued at approximately $410 million. The market is projected to grow at a CAGR of 12.6%, reaching nearly $1.05 billion by 2032. Polyurethane foam is used for thermal insulation, vibration dampening, and structural support in lithium-ion battery packs, improving safety and extending battery lifespan. Asia-Pacific dominates with over 50% market share, driven by EV production in China, South Korea, and Japan. Europe accounts for nearly 23% share, supported by aggressive electrification targets and expanding gigafactories. North America holds approximately 20% share, fueled by new battery plants and government EV incentives. Latin America and Middle East and Africa together represent under 7%, with gradual adoption linked to EV infrastructure growth. Growth is powered by rising global EV sales, expansion of battery gigafactories, increasing focus on battery thermal management, stricter EV safety regulations. However, raw material price volatility and alternative insulation materials remain competitive pressures. Bottom line, polyurethane foam is a critical material in next-generation EV battery design. To know more about our research services, visit www.𝗤verifiedmarketresearch.com or reach out to us at inquiries@𝗤verifiedmarketresearch.com.